Turning to business news now with Jonathan Mitchell. And Jonathan, it's been a big day for financial announcements. We also heard from the Reserve Bank Governor Graham Wheeler.
That's right. Good evening, Sharon. Yes, he gave a speech in Greymouth. It's essentially the last time we'll hear from Graham Wheeler this year. We don't have another monetary policy statement or OCR review until February next year, which is likely to be his last year in that top job. Now, he reiterated a lot of things we've heard before: a strong economy led by construction and tourism. We're humming along nicely at about 3.5%, certainly the envy of other countries around the world. That's likely to stay the same for the next 18 months or so, and we're likely to see it, maybe fall slightly. A lot of data coming through saying it could fall to around 3%. He's also reiterated that unemployment is expected to improve. Inflation, now that's quite a key thing for the Reserve Bank. It's expected to get to the target band 1 to 3% on an annual basis, and Graham Wheeler has sort of pointed out that he thinks we've sort of passed the bottom of that cycle of inflation. But the risks have been drawn up and remain, certainly the key ones coming from overseas: political and economic uncertainty. You've got in Europe and Britain, Britain's exit from the European Union. That's probably going to come to fruition next year. A lot of unknowns surround that. Turning to America, Donald Trump coming in as President of the United States. His policies are seen as quite positive for economic growth, but comes with a lot of uncertainty. Back here, essentially, the key uncertainty to financial stability is house prices and whether that's going to, bubble over, essentially. In terms of interest rates, expect more of the same old story. We're expected low interest rates for some time, well into 2019, the last forecasts I've been seeing. But as Graham Wheeler has pointed out, the door is open for further cuts. He hasn't closed it fully just yet.
And Jonathan, all that news, did that have much effect on the markets today?
That's right. We obviously had Bill English come out, and then the speech from Graham Wheeler. It did have a good positive impact on the dollar. That's trading at 72.1 US cents and 96.1 Australian. In terms of the market itself, it rose just 26 points to end at 6916. Sharon.
Thanks, Jonathan.